Student, hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Rehana, mathematics teacher. Let's start unit 1. What is long? What is round? In this chapter we are starting with a game. The game guess its name. Let's start. Children love Uncle Miku. He plays with them every day. Today he has kept different things in his bag. The game is guess its name. Guess what I have in my hand. I will tell you what it feels like. Uncle Miku puts his hand in the bag. Team A sings a song. Find out with your eyes shut well. Touch it with your hands and tell. Tell us how it feels. We guess its name and win the game. To understand this game, let us play one game. Shall we start the game? I will tell you what the things feels like. Who tell the right answer will be win the game. Rounds and around has no corners. I can hold it in my hand and roll it in my hand. So tell the student what is that object? See, it can roll. So this is ball. Pointed at one end, flat at other, but round like a pen. Guess what it is? Team A says pencil. So here flattened surface, and round like a pipe. So it is a pencil. You can play this game with your partners at home, with your partners, friends at home. Now let's start next activity. How strong is postcard? Here is one activity. In this we need two things, postcard and 2-3 books. First, hold a postcard from one corner. If you keep a book on it, can it hold the book? Tell me the student, can it hold the book? Postcard? No, it cannot hold the book. We are making postcard strong. First roll the postcard and use tape to stick the end together and roll like a pipe and stick with sellotape or gum. After that, put a book on it. Does the postcard hold it? See how many books it can hold. Yes, it can hold the book. So student, try at home with postcards and book and check out whether it hold it or no. Let's move to other. Hurry up, be quick. Children are sitting in a circle in the class. They are playing this game by clapping, singing. What is long? What is round? Look around. Look around. Rina say. A bat is long, a ball is round. Look around. All children are singing. What is long? What is round? Look around. Minu says, a bottle is long, a cap is round. Look around. So this is one type of game. Here we have to guess what is long and what is round. Here the long object is like bat. Bat is long and also round. It's look like a round. So play this game with your friends by singing a song. What is long? What is round? Look around. Look around. Next, Minu says the bottle is long and cap is round. Look around. Look around. See, bottle is long. And the game goes on. Now you play this game in your class. Take turn to name two things. One long, one round. Do not repeat things which other have named. So students, play this game at home. You will enjoy it most. Next topic, what rolls and what slides. Look at the picture. Some children are rolling and some children are sliding things in a park. There are some things which can roll and slide, and both roll and slide. Now first see what are rolling things. The things which have no corner, no edges, so it will roll. Example like ball, marbles, pencils. You can see in picture also. Next, what is sliding things? The things which have corner and edges. Not only that, it has flattered surface is called sliding. The roll things. It has no corner, no edges. It is round. So it can roll easily. Ball is rolling. So this is called roll. Now let's see slides thing. Now slides thing. Pencil is sliding. Now we will see both things, rolling and sliding. Here pencil can roll and also slide. So pencil is rolling here, pencil is sliding. Look at these things around us. Right below, things which roll. So student, write here the things which roll. The things which slide, here the things which both roll and slide. Let's see the things which roll, like ball, coin, pencil, tomato, marbles. Things which slide, box, bat, mobile, notebook, eraser. The things which roll and slide, bottle, pencil, cylinder, pen, glass. Now let's see activity My Tiny Tree. Here we will do activity. Take three things, paper, scissor and color. Now let's start. First point, take a sheet of paper like this. See student, take sheet paper. Second point, roll the paper to make a pipe. See student, how to roll the paper. Roll it like this. Okay, done. Roll like this. Next point, your paper pipe will look like this now. Use glue or tape to stick it. Stick with cello tape or glue. Student, it's look like a pipe and we had stick with the cello tapes. One side and two sides stick with cello tapes. Next point, fourth. Using scissor, cut strips at one end of the paper pipe and make 7 or 8 cuts. Take a pipe strips and cut at one end point. Put a cut of 7 or 8. See student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fifth point, turn down the cuts and your tree is ready and color it. Student, take the cut point and turn it down. See, like this, do it. See student, it's look like a tree. So, do color in this leaves. Green color. Put a green color. And here in trunk, put brown color. So, it's look like a tree. Now let's see next topic. The tallest tower. First, let us make a tower with a box. Let us see who can make the tallest tower. I will make the tallest one. Here student, take a different box, eraser, sharpener or notebook. From these things you can make tallest tower. You can see in the picture. You can also use cards. Collect the different things such as box of different kinds, balls, eraser, matchbox, etc. Make your towers using different things like only matchbox, only tins. See the matchbox and tins. Now mix and make with different things like shoe, box, tin together, balls and matchbox together. Now let's move to the other topic. Next activity, coin play. There are different coins, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin. From this coin we can do different things. We can spin the coin, roll it, slide it, okay, and both roll and slide. So first let's spin the coin. Spin the coin. The coin is spinning. The coin is rolling. Let's slide the coin. The coin is sliding. Okay student, try at home. Thank you.